Hey everybody, welcome back to the Photog experience. And on today's episode, it's going to be a little different. I'm going to celebrate my 2-year anniversary of this channel. Cue the intro. Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Jonathan Bailey, and here on the Photog experience, I like to give you tips and tricks on how to help improve your travel photography with some travel vlogs thrown in, and some random cruise tips videos as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you can stay up to date on all the videos that we post. So first off, I just want to thank each and every one of you all that has subscribed to this channel and has been a part of this channel from the beginning. It has been a crazy ride. To think that I started this over 2 years ago. Well, I guess not over 2 years ago, exactly today, March 12th, 2018, I started the Photog experience. And it's been a whirlwind. Now, I started a previous YouTube channel before that. It's still out there, and it only has like 4 videos on it, and most of those videos are from my first cruise, the Carnival Sensation. I'll leave that vlog up in the iCard above. It's not very good, but it was my first one, and I had fun, and it's what sparked this passion of content creating. And it has been an amazing time just being able to let my creative juices flow through video. In my professional life, I am a photographer and graphic designer for a relatively large grocery store company the in the South, basically. And it's been an amazing opportunity for me to grow my photography and design skills through that. And it's been a blessing to be able to learn video um, through YouTube. And I'm actually able to implement those videos into my corporate life, and it is phenomenal and is awesome. And so I want to thank each and every one of you for just being a part and subscribing and talking to me and just sharing your love about travel. And it's been an amazing ride. So I thank you. As of right now, this channel, according to TubeBuddy, I only have 297 followers. Now, it's not all about the numbers with this channel. It is all about good quality content that I can share and creative content that I can share with you all. And my goal for the next year, my goal is to not necessarily get to a specific number. My goal is to, in this next year, so by March 12th, 2021, is to grow creatively in a way that I can help you all improve your way of telling a story. And I have this new thing on my channel. It's called Storyteller, and it gives people opportunity, other content creators, or even if you don't consider yourself a content creator, other people, it gives them an opportunity and an area to place their photos that they've taken, place their videos that they're making, whether that's on their YouTube channel or just their personal videos. It gives a way for me to give an avenue to people to help share their story. And so I encourage you, if you are a content creator, if you are small, big, large, whatever, I would highly recommend that you come on over to our Facebook page. The link will be down in the description below. And just be a part of the Storyteller posts. I make a new one every month, so it's easy to find, and it gives a way for us to learn who you are. It gives us a way to live vicariously through your story. And that's what I think I am. I think I am a storyteller. I think being a storyteller is huge when it comes to travel photography and travel videography. It's telling a story in the situation that you're in to share with other people. And I think that's awesome. So again, I just want to thank each and every one of you. This is going to be a very short video. I just wanted to post something on my 2-year anniversary to share with you all. So again, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. show it some love, and let's spread some stories, because I really feel everybody that takes a photo, everybody that makes a video, whether that's traveling, whether that's food, whether that's anything, you are a storyteller. So come on over and tell your story. That's all for today's episode. Thank you all again. I can't thank you enough. I wish I can thank each and every one of you, but obviously I can't. But you all are amazing.